All right, guys, welcome back to a quick video. I just want to go over some of my favorite cases in December of 2018 for the iPhone XS Max. I do have a lot of cases, and I feel like there's some that definitely stand out amongst the crowd of cases that I have. So starting in no particular order, this is the Rinky case. This case is by Rinky. It's just a basic clear case. Really enjoy the way this case feels. It's actually a pretty tough case for it to be a clear case. The polycarbonate on here is really nice. It's got very hard plastic in the center, and it gives the phone some protection on the corners as well. It's got the lay on the table design for the back. It's got a little bit of lip protection, and this case works with wireless charging. And that's one thing all these have in common, is that they all work with wireless charging, just so you know, even the outer box. This is a sub case. This is actually one of my favorite cases for nearly every phone I have. This one right here comes in multiple colors, and this is like a black and silver little trim around it. What makes this one nice is that it has a matte feel to it on the sides, and it's also clear at the same time. So if you do have a skin like me, you'll be able to show off that skin if that's your thing, or just be able to see it for yourself. And this plastic right here is a little bit more soft than this plastic on this one, but this is really clear and really nice, and I think you'd really like this one if this was your thing. Really nice case. Now, getting into the more protective cases, this case right here is from Cena. Now this has metal buttons, which is really nice. I've actually been using this one the most. You've got a little bit of Cena branding right there. You got some Cena branding right there. And this is the Racer Z case that they have. This case runs about 49 bucks if you plan to picking this up. This is real leather. And in the inside here, you've got nice soft touch to protect your phone if you didn't have a skin or anything on it. Very nice case, premium case right here. And I think you'd really enjoy this one. This one gives it grip, it looks good, and it also gives it some drop protection. Now the bottom is open down here for that cutout, but don't let that deter you. This is a very snug fitting case right here. I think you really enjoy that. Now for the ultimate protection, you want to go with the OtterBox Defender Pro. The OtterBox Defender Pro is something that's going to protect your phone in pretty much any situation. This case is really a four-part case, but I don't use the belt clip, and this is probably what I'll take with me when I go to CES in 2019. I'll more than likely have the phone in this case in the airport and things like that, but this case goes in nice and simple. It's a very nice case. I've got a tempered glass on here that is not OtterBox, and you just make sure you snap it all the way around. Like so. And then you've got your phone really protected. Now I said all these cases work with wireless charging, and some people really don't believe that an OtterBox could work with wireless charging, but let's go ahead and pop it on the wireless charger here, and automatically it starts to charge. You just got to make sure that you kind of have it positioned, I believe, because some people are talking about it not being positioned right. See how I moved it in a different position, and then it's not wanting to charge. So I'm assuming that you got to have it around this spot right here for it to charge. So it's charging, let's see, around that center spot. Yeah, about like that. And then it'll continue to charge. But if you wanted to tilt it, I don't know if it'll work in charging like this. I actually never tried charging it like this. Nope. So you'll have to have it in some kind of way to where that center piece is getting in the middle there, but in fact it does charge, so that is a huge plus. This is a very bulky case, and I don't anticipate a lot of people would wear this case 24/7, but this case right here is very nice. I really like it. I don't use it as much as I used to, but I do use it, and probably when I'm going somewhere, like I took it to the football game. If I go to a football game or something like that, I'm definitely using this case right here. But other than that, I don't use this very often, And but I still think it's the most protective case that I have for the iPhone, and it is just absolutely awesome. So in no particular order, these are just some of my favorite picks right now as of December 2018. These are very nice cases. This will run you about 60 bucks, but you should be able to catch this one on sale a lot. Like literally, you should be able to catch this on sale. This one was even on promo at one point for 30% off or something like that, but regular price is about 60 or 70 bucks. This one's about 50 bucks, and these two are under 20 bucks. They're like between 10 and 14 bucks or something like that. But there they are, my top picks for the iPhone XS Max at the moment. It's your man Jay. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.